Today, we're diving into the Walmart Affiliate Program, one of the largest and most popular affiliate programs available today. If you're an affiliate marketer or considering getting into the game, this could be a great opportunity for you. Walmart is known for offering a wide range of products, which means you'll have plenty of options to promote. First, let's take a look at the process of signing up. It's straightforward. You'll need to create an account with Walmart's affiliate platform. Once you're approved, you can start promoting products right away. The platform itself is user-friendly, with tools that help you track your earnings and performance. From there, you can generate affiliate links for a variety of products, from electronics to home goods, and earn commissions for any sales that result from your referral. The commission rate, while not the highest in the industry, is competitive, typically around 1 to 4%, depending on the product category. Another thing to note is Walmart's impressive brand recognition, which can make promoting their products a bit easier since people already trust Walmart. This could be a huge advantage in your marketing efforts. Additionally, you have the flexibility to promote either specific products or entire categories, giving you the freedom to tailor your campaigns to your niche. The affiliate dashboard provides valuable insights into your performance. You can see how many clicks, conversions, and commissions you're getting, which helps you optimize your strategy. However, it's important to be aware that Walmart doesn't offer as many promotional materials as some other affiliate programs, so you might need to get creative in your marketing efforts. Now, one thing you should keep in mind is that while the program is open to affiliates from all over the world, the commission structure may vary based on your location. It's also important to check the specific terms and conditions, especially if you're promoting products in certain regions. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources that might help you enhance your affiliate marketing strategy. These links aren't directly related to the Walmart affiliate program, but they're worth checking out. Overall, the Walmart affiliate program offers a solid opportunity for those who want to monetize their traffic. It's not the highest paying program, but with Walmart's massive product catalog and the tools available, it can be a great option for many marketers. If you're looking for a reliable affiliate program with a reputable brand, Walmart is definitely worth considering. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tips and reviews. I'll be posting more content to help you grow your affiliate business. Thanks for watching.